Hello class, so we're going to be continuing off with this unit and we're going to finish it off and then we're going to move on to multiplication. But first we're going to do some challenges and then we're going to be done. All right, so write the number sentence for questions 1 to 4 and solve for the answer in question 5. All right, so write the number sentence for questions 1 to 4 and solve for the answer in question 5. So here we have, right, 2, 4, right? So we have 2 circles, 4 triangles. What do? Of course, we're going to add them, right? So we're going to say 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. That's how we're going to solve for it. 2 plus 4. We're going to write that as the number sentence, 2 plus 4, since there's 2 circles and 4 triangles. So we're going to write 2 plus 4 equals 6. Number 2, we have 4 circles and 6 triangles. So we do 4 plus 6 equals 10. Number 3, we have 6 circles and 6 triangles. We do 6 plus 6 equals 12. And the last one, we have 8 circles plus 4 triangles. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Consider the number sentence in 1 to 4. Are they odd or even numbers, right? Let's take a look. Even, odd, right? Even is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay. Odd is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, All right? That's even and odd. So we're going to take a look. Are they odd or even numbers? So the add-ins, right, whatever we're adding, these are definitely all even numbers, right? Even numbers. And the sum is even as well. So we're going to write the add-ins are even numbers. The sum is an even number as well. Okay. Next, write the number sentence for questions 1 to 4 and solve for the answer in question number 5. So, next part, we have 3 circles plus 5 squares. And we get 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Next, we have 5 circles plus 7 squares is equal to 12. Number 3, we have 7 circles plus 9 squares. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Last, we have 9 circles plus 5 squares. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Consider the number sentences in 1 to 4. Are they odd or even numbers? The add-ins are, right, these are all odd numbers, right? Odd numbers. I'm going to write odd. The sum is an even number, right? These are all even, right? So again, these are the add-ins. This is the sum, sum, right? Add-ins, sum, and sum. All right, next one, page 83. Again, we're going to do it again. Write the number sentence for questions 1 to 4 and solve for the answer in question 5. So, here we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Here we have 5 stars plus 4 circles. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Number 3, we have 6 stars plus 5 circles. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Here we have 8 stars plus 7 circles equals 15. All right, so the add-ins this time, are they odd or even? Right, this time we have odd and even, right? Odd and even. Odd and even. Odd and even. So we're going to write odd and even numbers. Number 2, the sum is what is this? What are these numbers? These are all odd numbers, right? So we're going to write the sum is an odd number. So here we're going to find out. So, again, we're going to write together. Even plus even. What do we get? Even plus even. What do we get? Let's take a look. Even plus even, we get even. Right? Even plus even, we get even. Even plus even, we get an even number. Okay. Even plus odd. Even plus odd, right? Even plus odd, we get an odd number. Right? We're going to write odd number. What about odd plus even? Odd plus even. Again, odd plus even. We get odd number. We're going to write odd number. Right? Odd number. Odd plus odd. Odd plus odd. We're going to take a look there. Odd plus odd. Odd plus odd. We get even. So we're going to write even number for the last one. Nope. Even number. All right. So here's a little bit of some word problems. It's a little bit tricky. All right. First question says, 5, 8, and I are best friends. All together, we make 20, right? 5, 8, 5, 8, right? It says all together, so we're going to add plus. And I are best friends. And all together, we make 20. So 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus what? Equals 20. All right, all together. So the only answer can be 7. 13 plus 7 equals 20. All right, number 2, add me to 9. Deduct us from 15, and 1 is left. All right, add me to 9. All right, let me erase this. Clear page. It says, add me to 9. Right? So question mark, we don't know the number. Plus 9. Right? Minus 15. And all we get left is 1. right? So, what plus 9 minus 15 equals 1? So, 9 plus, what do we get? Oh, sorry, right? Deduct us from 15, sorry. So it's going to be written like this. Deduct us from 15. So, deduct us from 15. So, let me rewrite this in. Deduct us means minus, okay? Minus from 15. So 15 will go at the top, all right? Minus, all right? Add me to 9. All right? So first we're going to add these together. What do we get? Right? That's the number sentence. Add me to 9 first, and then deduct from 15, minus from 15. So 15 minus blank, right? So the only answer choice that can be is 15 minus 5 plus 9 is 1, right? So 15 minus 14 equals 1. So here we get 5. All right, number 3, subtract 19 by me. Subtract again, right? Minus. Subtract 19 by me. Add 9 to what is left. The sum is 18. All right, subtract 19 by me. Subtract 19. Subtract and deduct are almost the same. So subtract 19 from me, right? So 19 minus blank, right? Parentheses. And we're going to plus 9. And then we get 18. All right? So what can it be? The only answer choice can be 19 minus 10. Plus 9 is 18. 19 minus 10, 9 plus 9 equals 18. My answer choice can be 10. All right. Take 3 away from me, right? Take 3 away from me, right? When we say take 3 away from me, also means minus. Add the difference to 7. Add whatever was left to 7. The sum is 19. All right. So let's write it again. First, it says take 3 away from me, right? Minus 3, parentheses. And then we're going to add 7. And then the sum is then 19, right? So we're going to take away 3, minus 3, and then we're going to add 7 and equals 19. All right. So what do we think, right? How do we get 19? What do we need? 7 plus what equals 12? 7 plus 12 equals 19. So how do we get 12 from here? So here we do 15 minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 19, right? 15 minus 3, we get 12 plus 7 equals 19. All right. There's a easier way to do it, but we can't do it yet. We don't know how to solve sentences yet, so let's just think about it the easy way for now. So here we get 15. All right, again, take 6 away from me. Again, minus, deduct the difference from 14, minus again. deduct. The difference is then 10. Okay, so clear this again. It says take 6 away from me. Question mark. Take 6 away from me. Deduct the difference from 14. The difference is then 10. Deduct the difference from 14. Sorry, deduct the difference from 14. We're going to minus from 14. So 14 minus. We're going to do 14 minus, right? Deduct the difference from 14. Right, because it says deduct the difference from, right? Deduct us from. All right, first take away 6, right? First take away 6. So we can think about 14 minus what equals 10? What do we need? Right? We need a 4, right? We need a 4. So this has to equal 4. So 10 minus 6 is the only one that gets us 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 14 minus 4 equals 10. All right, let me clarify. Deduct. Deduct from, when it says deduct from, right? Number first, and then minus, right? If it says take away, we number later, right? If it says deduct from 5, right? 5 minus blank, right? Take away, mean take away 5. We're gonna do number later. Okay. There I messed up a bit because I didn't clarify, but let's clarify that up. All right, deduct from 5, take away 5, different, right? But they're both minus, right? Deduct and take away are both subtraction. All right, these aren't too important. They're a little bit trick questions. It is a challenge, okay? All right, next time we're gonna do multiplication. Multiplication. I think we already know how to do a little bit of multiplication. Let's try this a bit. 86. We're gonna do 86, right? 86. So these are patterns, right? 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 10, 70, right? We have 1 0. We have a zeros trick, right? How many zeros we have, we're gonna add them back. All right, 7 times 10, we have 1 0, so we're gonna add it back. 7 times 100, we have 2 zeros. 7 times 1,000, we have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so first we're gonna take a look. These are all gonna be 6 times 4, 6 times 4, 6 times 4, 6 times 4. We get 24, 24, 24, 24. How many zeros? We have 1. We're gonna add 1 0. We have 2, 1, 2. Here we have 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, sorry. This should be. This should be 24,000. There we go. Perfect. So I'm assuming we can do 3, 4 ourselves. We can probably do 1, 2, 3, 4 ourselves for homework. So again, let's do multiplication with 0. All right, multiplication with 0, many zeros, right? So if I have 6 times 9, right? 6 times 9 equals 54. What if I have 6 times 9,000, right? Again, we have 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54. How many zeros do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. We're going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros. All right, always add back your zeros. So what if I do 6 times 9 million? All right, again, we have 54. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. All right, make sure you add back the zeros, right? So we can cover the zeros and then add them back, right? Same amount of zeros. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all right? We can think about the zeros later. So you can try number 3 for homework as well. All right, number 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, not too bad. Multiplication with zeros. Okay. And then next time we can move on to long form. All right. I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember the zeros trick? Okay. So that's just briefly